Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma. Chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, question 5. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, so that the square of an odd positive integer is of the form 8q plus 1 for some integer q. So we will let odd positive integer is equals to n. If we have the form of n, so n is of form either 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. So after squaring with n is equals to 4m plus 1. So we will square both sides, 4m plus 1 whole square, squaring both sides. So we will get n square is equals to 16m square plus 4 to the 8m plus 1. So we will take common, n square is equals to 8 will be common, so 2m square plus m plus 1. So we will get here q is equals to 2m square plus m. So we can write n square is equals to 8q plus 1. Yes, the odd integer is of form 8q plus 1. So we will again take n is equals to 4m plus 3. So squaring both sides, 4m plus 3 whole square, squaring both sides. Here we will get n square is equals to 16m square plus 4 to the 8 3 the 24m plus 9. So we will take common, n square is equals to, so this we can write in the form of 8 plus 1. So we will take 8 common, so 2m square plus 3m plus 1 plus 1. So we can write hence q is equals to 2m square plus 3m plus 1. So we can write n square is equals to 8q plus 1. So from this we can conclude that hence n square is of form 8q plus 1. Here n is odd positive integer. So that's all for this question. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.